Hi everyone. I think I'm audible to you. Right, so let me check. Yes, it's audible. So today we're going to solve uh, biweekly contest 188. The first problem goes like this. Count value prefixes. First thing, we have we are given a binary string s. The prefix of s is considered valid if its characters can be rearranged to form an alternating string. Now, you might already know what is an alternating string. Return the number of valid prefixes of s. Prefixes. So we have asked us for prefixes. Let me tell you, let me take a random binary string, then let us consider whether we can rearrange it or not. Right. Let me take one thing. Let me change it to dark mode first of all. Let me take the first thing, biweekly contest. First thing, we need to take a binary string 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 3, double 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1. Imagine we are having only one character, right? So this is already valid, right? So I'll just add the count from 0 to 1. I'll just take these two. Now, are they alternating? Yes. Why? Because 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is alternating. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, and so on. This is alternating. Our task is to find whether we can change uh, or rearrange the prefix so that it would create. Um, hello, wait, hello, right? I think I'm audible right now. Chinta Dharmapal. Thanks for letting me know, bro. So I would increase my count to 2. Now let me go to 3. If you see, there are this sequence is like 0, 1, and then 0. So I would increment it to 3 again. Now let me go and get 4. If you see here, how many, it is a, alternating string already. You don't have to check it. 4. Now here it is. 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, right? So first thing, if I keep this 1 here, I would get 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. But how do I know it, right? I'll get to that thing in a few seconds. So let's go to the next one. I have 5 as now. Let's go to 0, 1, 0, double 1, right? So if I just swap these two out like 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, right? So I would have it again. Now let's take another one. If there is another one, I would keep here. If there is another zero, I would keep here. If there is another one, I would keep here. Another one, where do I keep it? Right? Here I got another one. Right? So if imagine imagine the size is even, right? Size is even, like 2 or 4 or 6. Now, to make it as alternative, you either need 0 1 0 1 0 1 or 1 0 1 0 1 0, right? There are only two possibilities. When size is even, you need ones is equal to zeros, right? Now, when the size is odd, right? Either 1 or let's take 3 or 5. You need either it as 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, right? So the size, if it is odd, then either ones should be. What is this? It is 3, right? It is nothing but 5 by 2, which is 2 plus 1, which is 3. Ones should be. Ones should be size by 2 plus 1, and zeros should be size by 2. Either this or or ones, just vice versa. Ones should be size by 2 and zeros should be size by 2 plus 1. That's it. This or this. So if size is even, then we would check this, or if size is odd, we would check this. I'll just write algorithm. I'll just write the algorithm like this. First, we need the prefix, right? So, first thing, I would go from for character C in S if no, let's go with for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, right? First thing, if the current character is 1, then I would increment the number of ones, else I would increment the number of zeros. And I would call if is valid with I and ones and zeros, right? Then I would increment the count, which will be the answer. And I would return the count at the end. Now, is valid is valid will have the size as, I'll just take the index I and the ones and the zeros, right? Now, in size will be I plus 1. Now, if the size is odd, then we need to return only if ones are equal to zeros. Else, we have two things, right? Return true if ones is ones is equal to size by 2 plus 1 and zeros equal to size by 2. This or ones is equal to size by 2 and zeros is equal to size by 2 plus 1. This or this, right? So then we return, uh, that's it. If not, we'll just return false. If not, return false. Why? Because we would not return, we would not keep the last line as without returning anything unless it's a void function, right? So that's it. That's the first problem, and I hope you are good with it. Thanks everyone for attending this live session. If you have any doubts, please let me know.